How to make sugar pearls. Sugar pearls are sugar crystals clumped together to form large pieces that won't melt at baking temperatures. Homemade sugar pearls recipe. DIY European specialty sugar for cheap. Prep time, 1 minute, cook time, 45 minutes, total time, 45 minutes, yield, 3/4 cups. Ingredients: 3/4 cups granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon water. Instructions. Step 1: Combine the sugar and water in a small saucepan. Step 2: Start heating the mixture over the lowest possible heat on your stove. Step 3: Stir constantly using a wooden spoon until the sugar starts to clump. Step 4: Let it sit on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Step 5: Once the clumps have dried and become hard enough, remove the pan from the heat. Step 6: Let the clumps dry completely before using. Step 7: Store in an airtight container and keep in a cool and dry place.